guys, Sakase. Welcome back to my channel. I am Erda, and how do you do? So for today's video, you can already tell by the title, we are doing an avocado mask. It is super beneficial for hair growth, hair moisturizing, anything. It has so many vitamins in it, the avocado that is. Right now my hair looks interesting, as always. So before we get into the video, come on, what are you doing? If you haven't subscribed yet, help a sister out. Let's get to 1K and join the family for so much more hair vlogs, DIY, whatever is to come. So right now I'm just gonna spray my hair with some water. I had some leftover coconut oil because I had to melt it first in order to speed up the process and stuff like that. So I put the leftover in the water, and that is it. No conditioner. I don't have any conditioner yet because I just moved. As you guys can tell, I am at a new location or a different background, whatever you want to call it. So I've been very busy. I did have like a moving vlog because I got really emotional. I was leaving my family behind, so I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure this video is gonna be up first only because I don't have to do that much editing. Like, I had to do a separate video of me making this, which is gonna be like fast forward, like I'm not even gonna talk, and that's it. Where the other video I did small sections, I have to put them in order and stuff like that, so it's gonna take longer. So this video is gonna be up first and stuff like that. Like I say, subscribe, like, comment, and let's get started. A while, probably an hour or something like that, and as you guys can see, my hair is literally dry. Basically what happened is I think somebody was mowing the lawn or a truck, I'm not sure, but it was really loud, so I stopped recording. And when I was done, like, the noise was still going on, or maybe it was both of them, because it sounded like somebody was mowing the lawn, but it also was making that like, you guys know when those huge trucks are backing up. It was a mixture of that. So when I was done, it was still going on. I decided to get some breakfast. Now I'm done, almost done, so now we can continue. And also, I forgot one piece, so let me take care of that now. So before I started recording, I went and refilled up my bottle, and yes, the only thing that wasn't here was coconut water. So I'm actually gonna begin with this. And I forgot to say this before in the beginning of the video. You guys know how avocado turns brown. I mean, mine was already mostly brown because I originally purchased the avocado to eat, and when I opened it, it was kind of brownish, so I was like, okay, I'll just leave it for a hair mask. I've never done one before. So let me just use it for that. So I have like 4 or 5 more avocados, if it's the same way. I'm not sure if I can freeze this, so, but before my hair was in the twist, I wrap it in my shower caps, and just to prevent it from turning brown if that were to happen. So, and you guys can't really see, but if you haven't subscribed, definitely help a sister out, help me to get monetized. Actually, I have this. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for a few seconds. I'm not gonna do it hot. I just want it warm, just to open up my pores, my hair cuticles. Yeah, and I will see you guys within 45 minutes. Hey guys, the fan is on right now because it's a little bit, it's hot, and you guys can see water just, you know, dripping on me. And the reason for that is that I just wanted to show you guys my hair, how moisturized it is while it's wet. Now when it's dry, stuff like that. So this is it. As you can see, there's still water coming out of it, and I just want to show you guys my hair in a wet stage. Here is the back. Here it is. You guys already know I have thin hair, so yeah, so this is it. I obviously just brushed out my curls, but it's fine because my hair is going back in twists because I'm just leaving my hair alone. That's part of trying to break my growth plateau, just leaving it alone.